Bored of your MacBook lock screen? Want to make your Mac lock screen move like this? Let's do it. Takes less than a minute. Open Safari, go to YouTube, and choose the video you want as your background. Then go full screen so it looks just like a moving wallpaper. As you can see, the video playing in full screen, hiding browser UI. Press Ctrl plus Command plus 5. Select full screen recording and press the record button. Record the video you like. Press Command plus Shift plus 5. Press Stop to stop recording. Open the video with QuickTime Player, right-click, select Open with QuickTime. On the menu bar, select Edit. Click on Trim. Use the slider to select the section you want to keep. Then click on Done. On the top menu, click on Go, select Computer. Go to the following path. Right-click on the video and rename. Select and copy the name of the London Evening video. Go back to Record and rename, same as London Evening video. Paste the text you copied. Under 4K SDR 240 FPS, move the London video to the trash. Drag the recorded video into the 4K SDR 240 FPS folder. Back to Wallpaper. Select the video, London Evening. Okay, done. Let's see the result.